Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create, configure and manage your projects using OpenProject, one of the most powerful open source project management tools out there. Whether you're managing a small team or a big portfolio, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up projects, import tasks, and organize everything with Gantt charts, agile boards, and more. Let's get started right away. So the first thing you'll want to do in OpenProject is to create an account. Just visit their website and create an account, then log in to it. After logging in, go to the top left corner and click on the plus project under select a project button. Alternatively, from the dashboard's project widget, you can also click the green plus project button. Once created, you can open any project from the same drop-down menu by either selecting it from the list or typing its name to filter quickly. Now let's talk about project hierarchy. OpenProject lets you create sub-projects, which is really helpful for breaking down larger initiatives, and you can either define a parent project when creating a new one or go into an existing project settings and assign it as a sub-project. Your projects and sub-projects will appear nearly organized in the drop-down menu. Next up, the project dashboard. This is where you keep an eye on everything at a glance. A team member, documents, deadlines, reports, and project status. You can add widgets like calendars, spend time, sub-projects, or even custom text. Just drag and arrange them however you like. Finally, let's look at project portfolios and favorites. The portfolio view shows all your projects with filters, custom fields, and activity updates. If you want quick access to certain projects, just click the little yellow star next to the name to add them to your favorites. And if you want consistency across projects, you can even create project templates. Simply set up one project with the structure you want, like members, modules, or Gantt chart settings, then save it as a template for future use. Now, if you've been managing tasks in Excel or other tool, OpenProject has you covered with Excel Sync. Just export your tasks from the old system and upload them into OpenProject. This way, you don't have to start from scratch. Every project is different, and OpenProject gives you multiple ways to visualize and manage your work. Let's go through the main options. Firstly, work packages. These are backbone of OpenProject, things like tasks, bugs, features, or risks. Each work package has attributes like status, assignee, or due date. In the table view, you can filter, sort, and save your own custom views. Secondly, Gantt chart. Perfect for planning timelines, work packages appear on a timeline, and you can drag and drop to adjust dates. You can also link tasks with dependencies, predecessors, and successors. And as of March 2025, OpenProject added an automatic scheduling mode, which makes handling complex project setups much easier. Thirdly, we have agile boards. If you're working in Scrum or Kanban, this is for you. Boards are made of columns and cards. You can move tasks across columns as their status changes. Also, you can start with a simple board in the Community Edition or use advanced action boards in the Enterprise version. 4. Backlogs and task boards. Scrum teams will love this. You can build a prioritized product backlog and sprint backlog. Then during daily stand-ups, use the digital task board to quickly review progress and impediments. And finally, 5. Roadmap. This gives you the big picture. Roadmaps display all work packages grouped by version, so stakeholders can instantly see what's planned, what's done, and what's still open. Now let's move on to collaboration and team management. Managing projects isn't about tasks and timelines, it's also about people. In OpenProject, you can manage your team members directly inside each project, assign roles, set permissions, and invite collaborators so everyone knows what they're responsible for. You can also track time spent on tasks, which is super helpful for resource planning and reporting. If you ever get stuck, OpenProject provides detailed documentation and a very active community forum. You'll find guides on everything from setting up modules to integrating external tools. OpenProject doesn't live in isolation, it integrates with other tools. For example, you can connect it with Git, CI/CD systems, or even external storage like Nextcloud. Plus, you can customize fields, workflows, and permissions to perfectly fit the way your team works. This flexibility means you're not locked into one style of project management. You can shape the tool around your processes. Another powerful feature is reporting. You can create custom work package reports, track time spent across projects, and export data from stakeholders. These insights help you measure progress, spot risks early, and make better decisions. So when managing projects, security is key. OpenProject gives you detailed role-based access control, so you can decide exactly who can view, edit, or manage different parts of a project. For example, clients might only see status updates, while internal team members can update tasks. This ensures sensitive data is always protected. OpenProject is built with accessibility in mind, following web accessibility standards so it's usable by all team's members. And while it's mainly web-based, the interface is responsive, which means you can check tasks, dashboards, or Gantt charts directly from your tablet or phone. This is especially handy for managers and team members working on the go. So, before we wrap up, here are some final best practices. Keep your work packages updated daily so dashboards and reports are always accurate. Use filters and saved views to quickly jump into the perspective you need, whether that's overdue tasks, risks, or upcoming deadlines. If your organization manages many projects, consider using custom fields to standardize key info like budget or department. And finally, make the most of sub-projects to break down complex initiatives without losing the bigger picture. And that's it, the full tutorial on how to use OpenProject for project management. From setting up projects and templates to visualizing tasks, collaborating with your team, and keeping everything secure, you now have the tools to get started. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you, and let me know what you think in the comments below.